Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you like and comment. Today we're going to be making stash animals, and all you will need is a stuffed animal, a jar, some scissors, and a glue gun. First we're going to start off by cutting off the neck. Yes, we'll be chopping his neck right off. And what you're going to do is put the top on and screw it all the way on. And wherever the front lands, that's where you want to mark it, because that's where you want to put the front of the bear's head be turned to the back while the body turned to the front. So as you can see, I'm marking it with my scissors. That's why I'm going to be putting the front of the bear's head. I'm going to take a little bit of stuffing out of the head just so I can fit the cap up in there. Don't take a little bit out because you don't want your bear looking like skinny. We're going to place this cap right on in the top of it, and we're just going to hot glue around the edges to secure the top to the top of the head. You just go glue on around until you have the whole head attached to the top of your jar. And don't worry about those little scraggly pieces. We will cut them off later. So when you get the head completely on, we're going to restuff the head so it can plump back up. Then we're going to glue the second part of the top back on, because you don't want stuffing all in your stuff. I put that on the wrong way. Turn around, girl. But yeah, we're going to glue it around just like that. Yeah, that's a little bit head. He ready. And now we're going to do the body. And what I did for the body, I took a little bit of stuffing out just so I can fit the jar in, but I did go back in and put more stuffing around the jar so my back will be thick and not skinty. Now I went on ahead and put some hot glue at the bottom of the jar just so it could be like stuck in there and won't just be turning around inside the bear. Give it a little So now what we're going to do is take the top of the bear and glue it around the jar. You want to make sure it's neat. You don't want to make sure it look all sloppy. Make sure you like corner to corner, edge to edge with it. And we just go glue this bad boy all the way around until we completely got the body and the jar together, glued together. And after that, really, you're done. If anything else you got to clean it up. But yeah. And there you have it, your stash animals. Now you can make these for kids. You can make these for adults. You can make these for anybody. Anybody with a little stash of whatever they want. This would be a good idea for gifts for yourself. You know, just to recycle or reuse an old teddy bear, you know. You could do them with the bigger bears and the bigger jars. Or you could get a smaller jar than I have and a smaller bear. It all works out. Thank y'all for watching my video. I hope y'all enjoyed me making this stash animal. If you would like to see more, make sure you leave comments. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, crochet tutorials, all that. But thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn that post notification bell. Peace.